Now in this lesson we're looking at multiplication with indices. Now if we consider a squared times a to the power of 5, the result there will be a to the power of 7. Quite simply what we've done is when we multiply we add the indices. So the indices 2 and 5 added to give us the 7. That's how we arrived at the 7. So let's look at some examples now. The first one, a squared times a to the power of 4. Well, we just add the 2 and the 4 to get 6, so our answer is a to the power of 6. Example 2, m to the 5 times m. Now, if we consider that m by itself, it doesn't have an indice there, or it doesn't have an indice that we see, but the indice in fact is 1. So when multiplying then, we have the 5 and the 1. The rule is we add the indices, so we get 6. So the answer is m to the power of 6. Example 3, 8a squared multiplied by 2a cubed. Well, in this case, 8 and 2, they're just your normal whole numbers, right? They are not indices. So with our normal numbers, we multiply as we normally would. 8 times 2 gives us 16. Now we have a squared times a cubed. This is where we add the indices, so the 2 and the 3 we're going to add them to get 5. So we get a to the power of 5. So we can see that our answer is 16 a to the power of 5. Excellent. Question 4, a squared b multiplied by 3ab to the 4. We'll do our numbers firstly, our normal numbers. There's 3 there. Okay, that's the only number in this question. So we'll write the 3 down. Now we'll look at the a's. We have a squared times a. And that a, of course, is a to the 1, so it'll become a to the power of 3. Now that b times b to the 4. The b by itself, again, is b to the 1. So the 1 and the 4 add to 5. So we get b to the power of 5. So our answer there is 3. A cubed b to the power of 5. Terrific. Example 5. Negative 2a cubed multiplied by negative a to the 4b. Now that negative there, I have left a little space there because we're going to put a 1 there. It's going to be a little bit easier. If you just have a negative term, always realize there's actually a 1 there as well. Because what we're going to do now is look to multiply the numbers. Negative 2 times negative 1, that gives us positive 2. So there are normal numbers multiplied. Now looking at our index rules, a cubed times a to the 4. Well, we add the indices there and we get a to the 7. And then we have b there. There's no other b that we're multiplying, so it remains as b.